Hello everyone, how to do so back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to download and install Progressive insurance application in your smartphone. So it's easy and simple. First of all, if you use Android phone, go to Google Play Store and search the app Progressive app. Then you'll get this app here. If you use App Store, then go to App Store and tap the word Progressive. That's it. Then you will get this app here. So wait a second. So you can see here this is a Progressive app. Somehow it's problem. So you can get it Google Play Store or App Store. Once you get it, then simply click here on the install button. So you can see here, click the install button and it takes few time to install in a device.